Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a graph in your Google Sheets. If you're working on different variables that can be plotted on x-axis as well as on y-axis and you need to add a graph in your sheets, then you have to watch this video. You have to go to this insert option, click this. You can see there are many options. You have to click this chart option, click the chart option. Here I got my sample work. Now you can see we have a chart of these variables in our Google Sheet. You can manage your chart and increase its size. Here this portion you can see chart editor. You can go to the customize and change the chart style. You can see the 3D chart style. You can change it to 3D chart style and many other styles you can also change. So you can change the chart styles and it's designed and its columns. You can plot it on this row type bar chart. You can also plot this like this. So here that's it. That's how you can add a chart on your Google Sheets and change its styles and its axes. Thanks for watching the video.